Maryland Car Accident Lawyer. We are Maryland personal injury and wrongful death lawyers with offices in Baltimore and Salisbury, Maryland, and we serve the entire state of Maryland. If you've suffered a catastrophic injury or if you've lost a family member in a Maryland automobile accident, please know that you're in the right place to find a top-flight Maryland car accident personal injury lawyer. Our Mid-Atlantic car accident, personal injury, and wrongful death lawyers have a lot of experience. Since 1974, our attorneys have handled thousands of car accident, personal injury, and wrongful death cases. We have the experience and the know-how to get your medical expenses covered and to get you the best medical care you deserve. We have the resources to prove every element of loss caused by the negligence of the at-fault driver or company, whether that means calling in a top labor market expert to explain your loss of earning power, or whether that means calling in a reputable spine surgeon to tell the jury what surgery will be required in the future. We have you covered. We make it easy for you to connect with the right injury attorney. Have you ever heard anyone switching from one personal injury lawyer to another? People become dissatisfied with their attorneys. This is often due to inattention by the attorney or lack of trust in the attorney. In our law firm, it's exceedingly rare that anyone ever asks to switch lawyers. That's because we connect you with the right car accident personal injury lawyer for the job from day one, and our attorneys are client-focused, meaning they're interested in delivering great service so that you never have to look elsewhere for legal help. We make it easy to afford to hire a Maryland car accident personal injury lawyer. Here's how. First, we do not charge a consultation fee in Maryland car accident personal injury cases. If our attorneys meet with you to discuss your case, we understand that it's a job interview. You want to know if we're competent and passionate about representing you. We're not going to charge you a fee to find that out. Second, if we do take your case and if you decide to hire one of our Maryland car accident injury attorneys, we will handle the case on a contingency fee. For many Americans, contingency fees are the keys to the courthouse. A contingency fee is an attorney's fee that you only pay out of your settlement or your award of damages. You don't have to pay the fee up front before the lawyer takes the case. You pay it on the back end when you get your settlement or award of compensation. We know how to deal with the insurance companies. One of the most important things about representing people who've been injured in a car accident is understanding how things work on the other side. That is, at the insurance company's claims office. There are many personal injury attorneys who claim to be able to get you the maximum award possible or help you achieve the highest success in your car accident, injury, or death case. But do these attorneys really know how things work behind the scenes in the enemy's camp? We have high-ranking former insurance company claims adjusters and defense attorneys on our staff, and we know how the insurance companies operate, how they defend claims, how they evaluate cases. As a result, we know how best to position your personal injury claim or your car accident court case for true success. We have experience with many types of car accident, injury, and death cases. There are many types of car accident cases. What type of case is yours? Is it a car versus car accident? A bicycle accident where a car struck you and fled the scene? A tractor-trailer accident where the big rig jackknifed and collided with your vehicle? Or is it an underride collision where you ran into a trailer that had no conspicuity markings? Is it a case where a dog ran out in the road and flipped your motorcycle? Is it an accident involving an MTA bus? These are all car accidents in one sense or another. Make sure you choose an attorney who has a broad range of experience in all different types of Maryland car accident personal injury cases. It can make a huge difference in the outcome of your personal injury case. What can you do to get the case started right? If you've suffered a serious injury, or if your loved one has died as a result of careless driving, drunk driving, drugged driving, or other negligence, you need to take action as soon as possible to protect your legal rights and your family's legal rights too. The first thing to do is exactly what you're doing right now. Research lawyers and select a qualified one as soon as reasonably possible to evaluate and prosecute the personal injury or wrongful death accident case. Another thing you can do is gather up the evidence that will be needed to handle the case. Speak to an attorney about how best to do this. It may be that the attorney will ask you to keep a journal or a log detailing your medical, physical, emotional, and spiritual recovery after a serious injury. Or it may be that the attorney asks you to allow him or her to attend a funeral in order to document the grievous loss to your family. Early contact with an attorney who can tell you what documentation will be helpful at trial is the best thing you can do for your case. If you find yourself in the unenviable position of requiring help from a personal injury lawyer or a wrongful death lawyer who handles state of Maryland car accident cases, please contact us. It costs nothing to have a consultation with one of our Maryland car accident attorneys. We can review the facts of your case and advise you of what steps need to be taken now to protect your legal rights. Contact us now. The car accident personal injury attorneys at the Schwartz Schwartz Law Firm are available for consultation in Maryland car accident, personal injury, and wrongful death cases on both the western shore of the state of Maryland and the eastern shore of the state of Maryland. From our office in Baltimore, we serve the greater Baltimore, Maryland area, including Baltimore City, Towson, Owings Mills, Columbia, Glen Burnie, Annapolis, and points farther west as well. We have offices in Wilmington, Delaware, and Dover, Delaware that permit us to service the northern parts of the eastern shore of Maryland, including Elkton and surrounding Cecil County, Chestertown, Centerville, Kent Island, St. Michael's, Denton, and Easton. And from our Salisbury, Maryland office, we are able to meet with clients from Federalsburg, Cambridge, Delmar, Salisbury, and surrounding Wicomico County on down the Route 13 corridor to Pocomoke City. We cover the entire state of Maryland for catastrophic injury and wrongful death cases. If you need a lawyer for a live haul truck accident in Crisfield or a trial lawyer for a motorcycle accident in Waldorf or a wrongful death attorney for a bus accident in Frederick, please contact us immediately.